Earth meditation. Sound the tone of the universe as you empty your body of any pain or sadness, leaving nothing but chi fire and heavenly nectar pouring through your crown and coming up through your roots. Be a channel and allow these sacred forces and sounds to flow through you like a torus energy of chi and cosmic golden light. Access the most ancient shaman within you and the most heavenly angelic being and become the voice of both. Listen to the tone of the earth. Make offerings to the earth and let her speak through you. Listen to her and resonate what you feel is her song. Sing the sounds you hear. Make sound to reconnect to the earth. Offer your sound and your song to the earth. Sing with the earth in gratitude for her wondrous abundance. Sing through crystal pathways and song lines up into the stars. Sing the song of the earth, of the stars, the trees, the plants, the birds, the whales. Tone with the tone of the earth, from the core of her being to the depths of yours. Reconnect with the all-in-one through your voice. Allow it to be. Allow it to go where it wants to go. Allow whatever sounds, whatever song wants to come through you. Allow the sound of the place where you are to voice itself. Be the voice of that place. Make sound to sing the earth through her changes. Acknowledge the release of her pain and of yours. Support her and support yourself. Honor her. Make offerings with your voice through your intention. Draw energy from the sounds. Honor yourself. Allow your inner voice expression. Let it out and know the power in the silence within you.